Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ba'd. Welcome back to the next video. Today in lesson 10 we're going to learn about a new diacritic. Before I tell you what it is, I want to remind all of you that before you watch this video, you want to make sure that you know the two previous harakat that we have learned. The fatha, which appears above the letter, slightly angled, makes a sound, and the kasra, which looks identical to it, however it appears beneath the letter and it makes a e sound. If you do not know the sound of the letters with these two harakat, please go back and watch those videos before you begin today's lesson. Beginning today's lesson, the Dhamma. The Dhamma is a diacritic, a haraka, that is going to appear above the letter. We have an alif here, and the Dhamma above it looks like a wow. It's going to be a miniature wow. The sound that it's going to make is an oo sound, right? So with the alif, it's going to be oo. With the ba, it's going to be bu, not too long, right? With the ta, it's going to be tu, and so on and so on. I'm going to pronounce all of the letters with the Dhamma. Let's begin. U, bu, tu, thu, ju, hu, khu, du, dhu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, tu, dhu, u, ghu, fu, qu, ku, lu, mu, nu, wu, hu, you. Very good. We're going to move on to the reading segment, and we're going to begin with set 1. Now in set 1, I want to point out that in these words, in all of these words, the Dhamma will appear at the beginning of the word. It's going to appear at the beginning of the word. And before we start it, a reminder. Remember Ra? Good old Ra, right? Sometimes it's bold, sometimes it's light. When Ra has a Dhamma, it's always going to be bold. Okay, let's begin. First word. U-thi-ra. Uthira. Uthira. Next word. Bu-hi-ta. Buhita. Buhita. Next word. Tu-hi-ma. Tuhima. Tuhima. Next word. Thu-li-ba. Thuliba. Thuliba. Next word. Ju-hi-da. Juhida. Juhida. Next line. Hu-si-da. Husida. Husida. Next word. Khu-di-a. Khudi'a. Khudi'a. Next word. Du-hi-ma. Duhima. Duhima. Next word. Dhu-ki-ra. Dhukira. Dhukira. Next word. Ru-mi-ya. Rumiya. Rumiya. Next line. Zu-hi-da. Zuhida. Zuhida. Next word. Su-li-ba. Suliba. Suliba. Next word. Shu-fi-a. Shufi'a. Shufi'a. Next word. Su-di-a. Sudi'a. Sudi'a. Next word. Du-mi-ya. ضمر ضمر. Next line, or the last line, طلب طلب طلب. Next word, ظلم ظلم ظلم. Next word, عقد عقد عقد. Next word, غدر غدر غدر. Last word, فهم فهم فهم. Very good. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.